Ariva, currently trading at 0.0003986 of a penny. Currently market cap $25 million. And ticker is ARV, rank number 754. But before getting involved with this cryptocurrency, what is it and what is used for? This cryptocurrency is used for travel. You guys can use it for booking on their website for dining, travel, plane tickets. That's what they're currently set up for. This cryptocurrency is relatively new, so when it gets to the charts and everything, it's not going to be available. But let's get to the markets if you're looking at trading or hodling this, guys. They're on Gate.io, Liquid, MEXC, PancakeSwap, LBank, what else? XT.com, BitTrue, Bitmark. So they're not on the big ones, but there are some of the big ones. They're not all of them, like Crypto.com, stuff like that. When it comes to ratings, guys, I did not find a rating for this cryptocurrency. Doesn't mean it's a bad one or a good one. I prefer cryptocurrencies that do have it, but this is a pretty relatively new one. I saw this one on the news as a big up-and-coming one. Big volatile. It was really, really volatile. So, you know what? I just want to check it out. Look into some news. I would say the biggest news that comes to this cryptocurrency, guys, is how new it is and what they're trying to get involved with the travel industry. We'll check out their website. So here's their website, guys. Ariva is a cryptocurrency launched by Ariva.co, produced for active use in the global and tourism and travel networks in the near future. Projects worldwide is business to consumer travel and tourism networks where members can meet with global and local tourist service providers in the light of previous travelers' experience and comments. So if you guys want to know more about it, just watch this video, head to their website. So once again, new cryptocurrency. You can do an exchange and see how you can how much you'll get in ARV on the website. They have 114,000 followers on Twitter. So if you want to look for relative news, you can click on this video they have on YouTube right here. And this is the most relative news they have. So if you guys want to find out more, please go to their channel, check it out. You can learn a lot more about what their plans are, what the future is, especially when it comes to travel industry, and especially this whole pandemic we're in right now. But that's their Twitter. That's their news, guys. But please follow me on Twitter as Andre J. McClendon, and I talk a lot of political stuff, business stuff. So let's get to that price prediction, guys. Here it is. This is their chart. So I wanted to do this one because it's a little bit different than my normal ones, and just show you this massive wick down, and this is it. So this is how I would get into a brand new cryptocurrency. Like, it's how I'll set it up. So for me, obviously the upside is what we're going for. The first thing I would do if get into the Ariva or any new cryptocurrency is not use risk money. So I'm not going to throw my savings account into it. I'm not going to throw my retirement account into it. I'm going to use maybe the proceeds of another crypto trade that I took money profit on and put it into this. That's how low risk I would put it in as. Because I don't like getting into something that doesn't have a lot of data, a lot of information on. Because if you get into something like this, it might go down even lower. And you don't think it can go lower? I've seen cryptocurrencies that have period and 6 zeros and a 1. And there's a lot of cryptocurrencies like that. There's like over 15,000 cryptocurrencies. So when it comes to new ones like this, I like showing ones that are something different. I saw on the news for the Coin website, and it has been very volatile. I mean, look at the chart; it's extremely volatile. So yeah, you can hit up higher or get down lower. My thing is, don't put risk money in there. And if I'm going to get into it, I would dollar cost average, especially with this charts being so small. Maybe once a week, throw in something off of a positive gain off another trade, and not in all the positives, just do something. Because saying this thing can go to even 1 penny or a half a penny or 0.003, that's going to be a stretch because it's so new. It's there's not enough data for me to get on that. So that's my thing is, guys, my price prediction would be, don't know. It can go anywhere from here, but I wouldn't go in there for risk money. I just want to show you guys this cryptocurrency. That there's one in the travel industry, and it is up and coming and new. So maybe it's something you'd be interested in getting into. It's up to you guys. I'm just showing you and exposing cryptocurrencies because I find it interesting. So that's the price prediction, guys. I hope that gave you some value. I hope it did, because that's the best I can do, especially with something so new. All right, let's get to my website. Here's AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about trading, indicators, EAs, if you want to learn how to program, you can contact me. We can have that discussion, guys. But that's the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, share.